Hello class 2, welcome to your GK class children. In the previous video we were discussing the syllabus of half yearly exam, isn't it? And in the last video, in the previous video, we have completed discussing up to chapter 10, isn't it? And in this video we will start with chapter 11. So you all know this is your GK book. Take out your GK book and open your book at page number 18. This is birds. Okay, so from here we'll do the revision, and this part is also very important. Okay, you can see the pictures of some birds and their speciality. Okay, so we'll learn more about the birds. See here in page number 18, you will find the you can see the picture of some birds. You have to name the birds. So here pictures I may not give in the exam. Okay, you learn the name of few birds. Then come to page number 19. Here you can see some birds lying. Very common bird. You know the name, maybe you have not seen. Like sparrow, we can see sunbird, pigeons, owl, kingfisher, penguins. So some of the qualities, some of the features of the birds are given here. Suppose penguins swim well. Okay, you may be asked to write true false. If I write the penguins swim well, then it is true or false you have to write. Then they eat fish. Penguin eat fish. Is it correct? So you have to learn about them nicely. Okay, this is the way I may give the question. For example, fisher eat fish. Is it correct? If it is correct, then write true. If it is false, then not correct, incorrect, then write false. Okay, pigeon eat fruit and grains. They coo. Okay, so here also this type of question may come. Fill in the blanks you may have to do. Okay, so this way you have to learn this in the correct the features of these birds. Done. Then come to the next page. Chapter 12 is not there. Chapter 13 is there. Okay, here chapter 3 on land and in water. On land and in water. So here in this chapter you will learn about you will come to know about some animals that can stay both on land and in water. Okay, like hippopotamus is an animal that can stay both on land and in water. Now here see, you may be asked to write the name of two animals that can stay both on land and in water. So you have to write the name of the animals. Done. Chapter 13. 14 is quiz. Quiz we have done in the previous term also, in unit test also. But go through this properly once again. This is a revision chapter for you. Then come to chapter 15 is not there. 16 is there. On the road. On the road is very important. See page number 26. Open your book at page number 26. On the road. Now you see here a road over another road. What do you call the road over another road? We call it flyover. So learn the spelling properly. A passage below a road is called dash. The question may be like this. Then you have to write underpass. A bridge for crossing a road on foot is called footbridge. Pay here for using the road. So we can see the picture of a place where we pay, because when we travel, that time we have to make a payment here. So these are known as toll booth. Okay, the road crosses all rail tracks here. So here this is called level crossing. Done. Then a passage through a hill or under the ground is called tunnel. So what do we call it? So learn this properly here. Then come page number 27, that is ports, airports, station and ports. Ports, airports and station. Now here from this chapter we know that an airport, you might have seen them or you might have heard about airport. So airport is a place where aeroplanes loads and unloads goods, isn't it? So here you have to read it properly. Suppose if I write that we get petrol in an airport, is it correct? No, it is wrong, isn't it? This type of question may come. Aeroplanes can land on helipads, is it true? No, aeroplanes cannot land on helipads because helipads are too small for the aeroplanes to land. Then ship stops at where? Dash. Airport, port, station, where? So ship stops at port. That is the correct answer. So this type fill in the blanks you may get. We get on a train from a dash. Where? From a airport, from any airport, from a helipad or from a port. So the answer is we get on a train from a platform. So you have to learn this. This way you have to prepare chapter 17. Then come to chapter 18. Chapter 18 is special vehicles. Now here you can see the picture of some vehicles, isn't it? And their job. Like ambulance you can see, then you can see road rollers, the dumper truck, tanker, tractors, etc. So here ambulance, what is its job? It take people to the hospital. Then dumper truck carry and dump sand, stone, etc. Road rollers, they make the roads flat, isn't it? These are the job of this vehicle. So you have to match it, or you have to write it. So learn the spellings properly. Done. 19 is not there. Then come to 22, page number 22. 20 is revision chapter, that is flags of the countries. Okay, that is not that. I'll not give any picture. Then come to chapter 22. Who does what? Who does what? Here you can see the picture of a braid, chair, isn't it? Ornaments. So who does this work? Suppose chair, wooden chair, it is made by whom? Chairs are made by carpenters. Now who make these golden ornaments? Goldsmith. Person who work with metal is called blacksmith, means irons, etc. So a person who makes bread and cake are called baker. This way you have to learn this. Then next page is 33. Here you can see the picture and where you will get this thing. You can see this is what? Pastry. Where you will get it? Pastry you will get in a, where you will get the pastry? Pastry you will get in a confectioner's shop. Then gift you will get in a gift shop. Then if you want to buy medicine, you have to go to a chemist. So this way matching may come or question may come. We get gift dash, where? Gift shop. We get medicine, where? Chemist. This way you have to write. Then come to page number 24. Page number 24 is making music. Making music. Making music is what? Here you can see the picture of many musical instruments. Here musical instruments, here you have to unscramble their name, isn't it? And then you have to write how they are played. Like to play some musical instrument, we need to plug the string. For some musical instrument, we need to blow them to make the sound, isn't it? Then some musical instrument needs pressing the keys, isn't it? For this you just learn the name of all this type. You just learn the name of 2-3 instruments from this chapter. Okay, learn the name of 2-3 musical instruments. So this way we have completed discuss up to chapter 24. Then chapter 1, 2, 14 and 20, you know it very well. We have done in the previous class or in the previous unit test also. So this is how you will prepare for the test. Okay, do well. All the best. If you have any query, you can ask me. Thank you.